one second, one second. Actually, don't be in hurry. Just let me ask some questions. Actually, this conversation is based on only present indefinite. Okay, and if we fail, then we have to sing a song. Okay.
Uh, Sorry, could you please give me an example?
Actually, just only example in our question should be in present indefinite. Just like do you live in Delhi? Then your answer would be in yes and no, and I don't. Just it. Okay.
Okay, let's start. Actually, I didn't understand yet, but let's see.
Yeah, and there is one condition. One who fail. Actually, if we start talking in present definite and present part and future, then we have
Can't,
to sing a song. Okay, one
can't
person
we
who fail has to
can't
sing
we
a
have
song.
a normal conversation?
Yeah, that's okay if you are not interested.
No, it's not about interested. Actually, I'm not, understanding the rules of this game, and on the top of that, I do not even know how to sing. So I would be rather try to have a normal conversation. So
Yeah, okay, okay. So now let's start. So hi, good evening.
okay. So before we proceed further, would you like to introduce yourself, or shall I do?
Yeah, first you should introduce.
Okay. So as you know, my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm calling you from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, I've completed my graduation in computer science, and as far as my hobbies are concerned, I like to play cricket and listen to the music. And moreover, I run a YouTube channel where I, upload conversational videos over there. So that's all about me.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so let me introduce myself. Or
Yeah.
in short, I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoni district, and I did VCA. And my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. And I live in a village. That is my introduction.
Okay, that's great. So you did BCA.
Yes.
Okay, so haven't you thought of doing, higher studies or MCA after that?
Yeah, but actually, I had a lot of problems, before me. So right now I'm at home, but I will do MCA.
So, what about your college placement?
Yeah, actually, I had a lot of placements, but I didn't. Actually, my family didn't allow me to go. Okay, they emphasize my family, especially my parents, were emphasizing that please do further study and then do whatever you want to.
That's great. So,
Yeah,
as you just said that you have, pursued your BCA, then you must have had knowledge about the programming languages. So, do you have?
I did. Yeah, I actually I have, but right now I need some revision. Actually, I did in 2021, and right since then
Okay.
I yeah, since then actually I haven't revised, so that's why.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Yes. So please, Bharadwaj, right?
Yeah, right.
So where are you from?
I'm from Ghaziabad.
You are from Ghaziabad.
Uh, like
So how is the
my
weather?
native, the weather, it is raining outside basically, and my native place is Aligarh. And
Okay.
right now I'm living in Ghaziabad in order to pursue my graduation. And now when I was in the fourth year of my college, I got placed in a company. So the training is going on. So yeah.
Yeah, congratulations. So yes. So
Yeah.
actually, let's you think that let's have common conversations. So can you tell me about your daily routine?
Daily routine is such that I wake up in the morning. I don't basically wake up early in the morning because I uh, hit the bed late in the night. So that's why I wake up a little bit late in the morning. And after that, I do some kind of exercise and workout. After that, I have my lunch, and then I begin to do my tasks, which are assigned to me by the company and my seniors. And after that, I get the free time between 2 to 4 p.m. Okay, so in that time, I just try to have a conversation with someone, and after that, again, I start working on my tasks, and yeah, that's how I end my day. And if I get the time, I upload the videos in the evening. So
So, do you hesitate while speaking? And and after having conversations, do you feel that we you did a lot of mistakes?
like, I don't hesitate basically. Earlier, I used to hesitate when I started my journey. When actually I was that guy who didn't talk to anyone. You know, and I didn't talk to anyone in English. So when it was my first time, when had my first conversation, then I was very nervous at that time. So yeah, at the time I hesitated, and after 2 to 3 more after three more conversation, I hesitated, but after that it went normal, and I yeah. After that, I never felt hesitated. But yeah, if you just said that after the conversation, I really feel that I have made some mistakes, but it's all the part of our journey. So yeah, we are here to just rectify our mistake and learn from the mistakes.
Yeah, it happens to everyone. Don't worry. Actually, we are learning second language, so it happens. It is naturally. We think we should not think about much about this. Okay. So okay. So how long have you been on this application?
It's been 1 year today.
Yes.
Been 1 year today. This was the day, like this day, on 27th of December, I started my YouTube channel as well as my speaking practice. So now it is 7th of December. So it's been 1 year, and now the 1 year is completed.
Okay. So do you have any question? Feel free to ask.
Yeah. So how's your day so far, and how many conversation have you made today?
Actually, I don't take lot of conversations. Only I take one or two. Okay, not more than that. And on top of that, I don't think that it is necessary to take so many calls. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. If you have attended, 1 to 2 calls, and that 1 to 2 calls went good, and you have, you spoke wholeheartedly with full of your heart, then I think it is sufficient, and you don't need to, have further conversations. So it's
Yeah.
good. I also do the same. I just do have 1 to 2 conversation, and I put all my efforts
Yeah, I'm the
in
same.
those two conversation, and then after that I don't need to have other conversation than that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
uh,
What do you think you should, you need to improve your, spoken English especially?
Sorry.
Think you need to improve? Still, do you need to improve?
Yeah, of course. I think actually this is the beginning right now. I haven't just started. It's been one year. Yeah, it seems that it's been long, but it's not long period. If I just describe it, because in 1 year I have had, yeah, of course I have learned so many things, and it's still I have to learn. You know,
So, are you working on that where you are lacking that you think that you are, weak at
yeah,
weak?
I'm right. Right now, these currently I'm working on that, on those area where I feel that I'm lacking in.
If I ask that where English is most difficult,
Sorry.
if I ask where do you think the English is more difficult, where?
Okay, yeah, I think like people, cannot express their thoughts clearly.
Yeah,
So
it's a
that,
beginning level. It's a beginning level, but I think pronunciation is very difficult in English.
Pronunciation is not that difficult from my point of view because yeah, you can learn the pronunciation. It's
Point
not
of
a big
view.
yeah.
Everyone has their own point of view.
Correct,
Okay, that's
correct.
okay. But I
Yeah,
think that I feel, and also it happens to me that pronunciation very difficult.
yeah, of course, like pronunciation plays a vital role in our conversation, and because of only pronunciation, you can express your thoughts more clear. Otherwise, opposite person would misinterpret what you are saying. So, pronunciation, no doubt, pronunciation is really important. But yeah, it's not difficult. But what difficult, like
Yeah,
from my
difficult.
point of view,
Nothing is difficult. When you have decided, nothing is difficult. I'm not opposing that, but
right.
initial time, it is difficult a little bit.
Right, you're right, actually. And but like there are two topics which I feel are really difficult. And it's not for me, but for everyone, I would say, like 99% of the people, they would definitely say that these topics are really, difficult or tough. The first one is conditionals, if you must have heard about them, and second is the causative verbs. And these are the two things like which I have really felt that are difficult
I
in
think we don't,
my
you know,
whole my
we don't stuck. We should not stuck in, in grammar too much. Actually, when causative and conditional sentences is needed, when we will learn. But first, we need to practice. No, practice speaking.
it's not about the grammar, brother. Like when
Yeah,
you are expressing your thoughts, these two sentences, like you you frequently come across with these two expressions, like you cannot have conversation in which you don't come across with the sentence of causative verbs and conditional sentence. You really come across these two topics, so it's better just you learn about them, so
so
it will
okay,
be
we actually, we have been interacting, 10 minutes for 10 minutes. So where do you use, causative and conditional sentences? Did you
uh,
use how many
no.
times?
Brother, we just had our 3 minutes had gone in our introduction, and in just 5 minutes, few minutes you have spoke, and a few minutes I have spoke, like 3 to 3 minutes. So, of course, in that short period of time, I'm not going to use conditional and causative. But if we talk furthermore, definitely it might be possible that I would use both of them and many more
I'm going to
concepts of
say
grammar.
one conditional sentence. It's on you. You will find out, whether it is a zero condition and one condition or two conditions. Okay.
Sorry.
I'm going to, speak a sentence and you will find out, conditional sentences. Okay.
Yeah, let's see.
Whether it's zero condition, one condition, two condition, and three condition. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Let's play
Okay.
this.
I had money, so I would give it. So which
If
condition
I
it is?
if I had
If I had money, so I would give it.
this is the second.
Yeah, you spot on. You're right. And if if it's rain, so it's everyone gets wet.
It's very simple. It is the first one. Yeah. Sorry,
Yeah,
zero. The
zero.
first.
Yeah, right. Okay, you are okay. Then what do you think that it is very difficult?
Oh, it's not that difficult. But when I was beginner, it I
Yeah,
had to
if
a
you
lot.
start anything from beginning, and just suppose when we were born, and after time, 10 months and 11 months, we started walking, and when we try to stand on our feet, then we felt that it is very difficult. Okay,
Yeah, right.
yeah, it's
Mhm.
okay, it's okay, it's okay,
Yeah,
Garjivan. Yeah,
yeah.
go.
As a beginner, it is very hard to
Yeah,
learn these two concepts, I would say.
yeah, yeah, right, you are right.
It never ha- it have never been easy for me to learn these concept. I had learned this concept by I put a lot of efforts to learn
Yes,
these concepts. up. So yeah, I've I've done so much hard work.
Okay, Gajwant. So if you have any question, so feel free to ask. Or I am running out of time. I need to
Okay,
go
okay,
somewhere.
okay. Then okay. Bye.
Okay, you have any question?
No, as you are saying that you are running out of time, so I just don't want to waste your time anymore. So you can
Yeah.
go and we can have
Thank
a
you.
conversation later. Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank